How to use a print bilingual dictionary. When you read words that you don't know, look them up in a dictionary. A bilingual dictionary translates English words to your first language. I use an English-French bilingual dictionary because French is my first language. If your first language is not French, you can use a different bilingual dictionary. As I read a text in English for the first time, I circle unfamiliar words and put a question mark next to them. When I'm done reading, I look them up in the dictionary. I circled these words while I was reading the text about Biz Internet: switch, fees, subscribe, surveyed, and report. Let's look up switch in the dictionary. It will be in the first part of my dictionary, which translates from English to French. The words in the dictionary are organized in alphabetical order. To find the word switch, go to the S section of the dictionary. Go towards the end of the S section and look for words beginning in SW. Here it is. Switch is on the last page of the S section. The word switch has many meanings. It can be a noun, interrupteur, changement, or revirement, or a verb, transférer, reporter, échanger, changer, or passer à. Let's check to see if switch is used as a noun or as a verb in the text. Switch to Biz high quality and high speed unlimited internet. Switch is the first word of the sentence, but no verbs come after. Every sentence must have at least one verb. This means that switch must be the verb. This is an imperative sentence, a sentence that begins with a verb. Imperative sentences are used to tell people what to do, like open the window or take off your shoes. Switch is a verb that means changer, but because it is followed by to, switch to, it means passer à. The meaning of the sentence is to change your current internet provider for Biz Internet, and it translates as passer à, switch to Biz Internet. Write the French translation passer à next to the word switch in the text so that you don't forget it later.